a fresh project, and inside source folder, let's create two more components because it's a new project. I already have installed the React router DOM, so we will implement it before. First, let's create two components. But one will be home component. Another one will be about component. So now, yes, what we will do, we will import our browser router and route. Make sure you are using this curly braces. In case sometime if you forget what to add and what to use, you can always go to this documentation and check this out, because we already have it here and you can just copy it. So then what we will do, so now inside division, let's use the route. First route will be the exact path, so the path will be root path, and also component equals to curly braces. Let's first import the component. We are going to import home component from home component, and we will use it here. Another route will be for the about page. This will not be an exact path, it's about page, it's not the root path. So for that we will use /about, and component will be about component. I think let's just import it first, we will use it later, and we will use it here. Still close bracket. And next we will wrap this up inside a browser component, browser router. Cut it from here and paste it in. So we are done with the setup. Now let's go to the home component and let's create a functional component, and let's just call it h1 home, and another one, and for the about we will call it about. Now let's save it. But if I go to the browser now, we have the home, but we don't know how we can navigate to the about page. For that, what we will do, we will create a link here, and make sure you are importing that at the top. Import link, second curly brace, from React router DOM. Now if I set this, as you can see, we have a little link here. If I click on this, see, we are in the about page. So let's just modify it more betterly. Let's put it inside h1 tag so that we can see it properly. Paste it here, and another link here. Make sure you are importing it here as well. So the link to this is the root page, the home page, and we'll call it home. Let's save it. See, we have home here and about in the h1. When we'll click on it, we'll be at home page, and click on about, we'll at about page. So that's how we use route in React. You can see the URL as well. When we are in home page, we are at the route, the localhost, and when we are in the about page, it's showing about. So that's how we use route in React 5. So there are lots of other things. There are nav links. These are pretty similar like link. We can discuss that in a advanced topic, but that's it for the beginners purpose. But if you need a advanced course for the React hooks, lifecycle methods, so you can let me know in the comment section if you need any advanced course in React. Okay guys, take care. Bye. Congratulations, you are one step ahead in React. You already understood and learned the basic stuff of React and the Materialize CSS. I hope you enjoyed the course. Make sure you are letting me know. You can do that by commenting, and also you can reach me out in Instagram or email. And I will surely see you in a new course. Thank you guys. Bye.